So this thing, in all of its audacity, stands up more like the Rambo survival knife of your childhood dreams. More so than anything methodical to any type of average everyday bushman routine. Remember this guy? That being said, in a dystopian type Mad Max reality, would make a great Shogun carry for dealing out melee damage. I mean, I've studied Bat Jan. For sure, the Jaguar knife is a little bit similar to the construction of butterfly swords, but I didn't think the Jaguar would cut it. Bit of kudos to Big Cat Knife Co. Realistically, within our own real-world application, we pretty much just keep it by the fireplace. For splitting kindling. Comprised of a rather complex design, not many people realize the multifunctionality of these knives. It in itself, or within a smaller iteration, does serve its purpose though. The belly of the beast holds the same relativity that you would expect from any other knife. What we're going to talk about first are these teeth up here. A lot of people just sort of believe them to be a saw, and though they're not that sharp out of the box, they do well with cutting through for the most part, but what their real intention is made for. Angling the spine out where the teeth are to start a cut. And then turning the blade so that spine is relatively perpendicular with your object in order to create a channel to run cordage. Among all of its other evident uses, the belly works great for batoning, feather sticking, and overexposure. And if you move your hand down the hilt just a little bit, it makes a great chopping tool. As for this little tooth at the base of the belly, gut hook. And this is obviously just an example, as we're not field dressing here, as all we have handy are deer shanks to remove the hocks from. Oi, all kinds of ASMR here. Cautiously flipping your blade around, covering the danger part with a rag. Right in here you have your fleshing tool. More of just an example, obviously. There's really no meat on these things. Also functions well as a power assist. So that's that. Notching, chopping, draw knifing, just simply isn't a word. Feather sticking, gut hookery, batoning, teshigiri, if I even pronounced that right, and fleshing. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stick around till after the outro for more tracker knife info.